The leadership of the Amalgamated Union of Food and Cattle Dealers of Nigeria, AFUCDN, has given the federal government till February 24 to address their demands or face total withdrawal of their service. The union, which is an affiliate of the Nigerian Labour Congress with over 35 affiliate groups, said it had already submitted a notice of their impending action to the federal government and security agencies. Addressing reporters in Abuja on Sunday, the Secretary General of AFUCDN, Ahmed Alarama, said they were worried about the incessant attacks on their members and properties across the 36 states of the country, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. He referred to the recent violence that erupted in Shasha in Ibadan, Oyo State, where he alleged some of their members were killed and properties destroyed. Alarama said the union was demanding the federal government broker an agreement between state governments and AFUCDN to the extent that henceforth, if any violence of any nature erupts in that state and our members are attacked, we will not hesitate to immediately withdraw our services. He added, based on the above, we are therefore giving the federal government of Nigeria 7 days ultimatum from the date of receipt of acknowledgement within which to address the issues raised, or we will have no option than to call our members on a nationwide strike. Alarama, who was flagged by the president of AFUCDN, Mohammed Tahir, and Northern Consensus Movement, Sil Ibrahim, said if nothing was done to address the plight of their members at the end of the ultimatum, they will have no alternative than to stop movement of their cattle and goods around the country. He said that there is a lot of distrust and disunity in the country. We have urged the government to intervene in order not to create a situation which will lead to chaos and breakdown of law and order. Our members have continued to suffer intimidation, frustration, humiliation, and destruction of their goods. Given the lack of safety of our members and their properties nationwide, imposition of multiple taxations on the highways, despite our contribution to peace, progress, unity, and economic growth of Nigeria, our members under the AFUCDN demand that President Muhammad Buhari revisit our demands and address the issues bedeviling us, including compensation for lives and properties lost. We demand that governments protect the rights of our members while on transit and at their places of doing business, to dismantle illegal roadblocks mounted on the highways by hoodlums in total disregard to laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, most especially from Adamawa, Taraba, Benue down to Port Harcourt, he said.
Onda bada. Nah, I like him even name. Yeah. Yeah, but ibe akarịa. Na ugbo kwa.